and it looks like I'm just rotating a boom bow on my finger.
Hey guys, what is up? Zach here. Back with a brand new episode on the channel. Hope you're all having a great day.
Hello guys.
So I'm doing a 1v1 thing with Nolan because we're technically doing Mythic, so Nolan says that the Boom Bow's the best one. And I say that the Minigun's the best one, and I say that it's better than the Boom Bow, so now we're going to
I think the Minigun is the second best gun, but the Boom Bow is the first overall.
And
the Minigun
so
doesn't have as long range as the Boom Bow.
So first is
Plus, the Boom
short
Bow's
range.
explosive.
Nolan, call it.
Yeah, first is short range. Oh, crap. I have to repair this ceiling. I'm building metal I'm big brain, because metal has the most health.
Here.
You're T-posing? I'll T-pose.
Get ready. Okay, come on.
I'm gonna T-pose, man.
Nolan, you started.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! I'm doing rage, though. Come on, go.
Yeah, I am. Wait, can we go to each other's build?
No. I mean, I don't know. Oh, Oh, sorry.
Why did you do that?
Oh my. Why did I even do that?
So when the battle starts, we can do for short range, the max limit is 5 meters, so about a block. But you can go up to the other person's base, just you can't destroy it. You always have to spawn on your base. Come on, Nolan.
I'm coming. I'm coming, bro.
Oh, great. Now my ramps are rotated. Well, I thought they were. What are you doing? Wait, is this still go?
Yeah.
Ow.
Bro, yeah, close range, you should win.
Okay.
No, actually, no, that's not, no. It should be best out of 3, right?
Yeah. So, yeah, there's 3 rounds.
Yeah, it's best out of 3 for each range, isn't it?
Okay, fine.
Didn't we discuss that? And why are you building ramps all around my base?
The thingies?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me just make that there for it even. I did that mostly around my base.
Okay, go. No, I'm just gonna stay inside of my room. You know I'm just gonna, you know. What are you doing?
Hello.
What was that?
I win.
Yeah, you should win.
Yeah, no killing yourself.
Now it's time for medium range. Now I just have a feeling that the minigun's gonna win because you always win in all of your videos.
Back
So
your thingy.
it's time for medium range.
Bring back your thing. Oh yeah, now I
But
have.
for medium range, we can go up to infinite. We can go however high we want.
Yeah. I know.
But you can't destroy the builds.
Okay, so it has to be 2.
Wait, no. Wait, bro. You said that you can't destroy the other person's builds when you got edit on me. When you got edits on me. Bro.
Yeah, I mean like the base. Like it's fine for the roof.
What did you just do? You can build up infinitely.
Yeah, but it has to be medium range. Wait. Medium range is 50 meters. Oh my gosh, 50 meters is so long. Wait, shouldn't 50 meters be long range?
No, 50 meters is medium range. Oh, sorry, I choked.
Okay, wait. How much is medium range? I'm lagging.
We can literally crank up to however far we want.
Okay. Wait. So is medium range be close and short and long? So it can be whenever, however amount.
Yeah.
Long,
Medium range
long
you can
is
do
50,
however
that's
much
the
you want. But long is long, you know? Stop trying to, hey, stop. Stop.
What?
I never said go.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm still at 85 HP.
Oh, you're at 85? You can heal. You can get a chug.
Oh yeah, how about 4 slots of boom bows and then our 5th slot, it's a chug.
No. Actually, yeah, that's kind of fair. Actually,
What are
can
you
you
doing?
throw me a medkit too? Since you have infinite medkits, can you just throw me a medkit?
A medkit?
Yeah, throw
You
me
mean
a
a
medkit.
chug?
Yeah, chug. I'm sorry. Good
I
thing
don't
my
think
crankings.
Why are you building so high?
Oh crap! I choked.
I don't think you can throw chug jugs.
Yeah, you can just throw chug jugs, bro.
You can? No, you can't.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
For some reason, I had a little trouble building 90s there. Please pardon me.
No, you can't, Nolan. You have to get a chug jug for yourself.
I'm trying to crank here. You could build infinitely high for medium range. Oh crap! I choked in my 90s.
Yeah, but
I'm
can
sorry. I
Nolan,
choked.
Nolan, the thing didn't start yet. When you say go, we can start building up high. That makes it more fair.
But how high
I'm never
are
going
you?
to reach up to you.
I'm super duper high right
I'm
now.
gonna
Because
knock
I
you down.
crank. Don't you dare knock me down. Stop.
Nolan, I'm never going to get up to you. When you say go, that's when we should. That's when we
Oh,
should
I just
start
fell off
building.
anyway. So.
Okay.
But look, you gotta be proud of me. Look how high I cranked.
Okay. Nolan, when you say go, that's when we start building. We need to be a wall. Build a wall so we can't kill each other.
Build the wall.
Build your wall. Nolan, stop. Okay, Nolan, when you say go, that's when we can start. Nolan, stop. You're not gonna hit me.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, we gotta do it from medium range, you know.
We're technically build fighting right now.
True.
Sorry, I really like to build fight. You know me build fighting, Nolan.
Bro, I'm just cranking 90s out here.
You are? That's cool. I don't know how those are 90s. How about those are your 90s?
Yeah, this is how I do 90s, bro.
Yeah, I'm doing how everybody else does 90s.
Why can't I build walls, bro?
I can't build
My
ramps.
switch- You can't build ramps?
Like, it's really hard.
Why is it so hard to build ramps? Ramps are the most, hey, for build fighting, ramps are the most important. Awesome. And, bro.
Oh! Oh! No way this can hit. I win.
No, you don't.
You can't kill yourself.
It's best out of 3.
Okay, well, I win the first round.
Yeah, you won the first round.
I didn't know that miniguns can do that.
Yeah, miniguns can shoot from, like, really far. Who just cranked, bro? Are you just cranking super high? But look how high. You gotta be proud of me. Look how high I can crank.
I can't believe I did. Wait, are we still going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I
But
just jumped down.
this time we can build before. This time we should be able to build before. Oh crap! I thought I was gonna build 90s there, but I wasn't. Why can't I build walls?
I'm trying to do double.
Wait, is my turbo building off? I hope my turbo building isn't off.
Turbo build.
Oh, my friend Landon just invited me. I may join him after we do this 1v1.
No, just invite him. Invite him.
Wait, okay. Jeez. You just made me fall. You just made me fall.
Are we starting, Nolan?
Bro. Okay. All that cranking for
Oh,
nothing.
voicing
Okay,
bot.
Landon joined. Hey, Landon. Yeah, Landon's voicing bot. Hi, Landon. I'm just doing we're in a video right now. We're in the middle of a video, so.
What do you mean?
Oh, Zach's a YouTuber.
Yeah, he knows that already.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I played with him before and did a YouTube video with him.
So,
Yeah.
question.
But
Why do I keep choking in my 90s today? What is up with me?
why
Do you
so-
want squats?
Yeah, we
Maybe
can do
after
squads
this.
after this. I
Yeah,
kind of want to
we're-
be creative though.
We're doing a superhero 1v1. Not superhero 1v1, I'm sorry. That's one of our previous videos. We're doing a Boom Bow versus Minigun 1v1. We have 5 Boom Bows
see.
versus 5 miniguns.
Well, no, I have 4 miniguns because I need a jug.
Oh, I didn't get a
Right
jug
back.
jug.
How did you guys get the high ground just because I hopped down?
Oh my god.
doesn't mean
Do you know,
anything.
but I just fell off my builds. Thing is though,
Yeah,
I just fell off my
I
build.
got my high ground back. Why are I was trying to shoot you, but I know miniguns can't shoot that far.
Back.
Yeah. Hey, stop. I'm trying to crank here.
I'm trying to shoot you here.
Bro, we said that we can build however high we want before. Why
When
do
will
I?
it start? That's my question.
Whenever, bro, I can't.
When will it start?
My ramp button is, I
No
swear,
one
is
just
broken.
say start. No, I fell.
Ah, you fell.
Now I need to edit my way from my double ramps up. There, now I'm back where I was.
Why do I keep choking in my 90s?
Why am I at default?
So,
I'm gonna join you guys.
Okay. We're in 1v1 with any gun.
I
You
know.
can just
I'll
spectate,
just be
you know?
spectating.
how do you have the high ground on me?
Whoever gets the next kill, we. Okay, boys.
Bro, how'd you hit me for so much?
How are you?
Bro,
82
okay, you won the
meters away.
1v1. You won the 1v1, okay?
82 meters away.
Now we're gonna do some mini games. I told. Okay, so you can end the video here. You beat the 1v1.
Okay, guys.
Do you want to do
this
mini
is-
games too? Because the video wasn't that long, or?
Uh,
Yeah, you destroyed me. But wait, do you want to do long range just to see who wins?
no.
So hide in one of the doors, and so am I gonna hide in one of the doors, and I will beat you.
Hello.
Okay, I'm not giving up this video, guys. So we just did a test. I'm pretty sure minigun could be better than Boom Bow.
Trying to get it. No,
Well,
stop
please.
it.
Peace.
I'm just.